This is the killer. This is the
Somebody gets whooped with no more. What do you do to your family? You are locked in jail. You must rot in jail.
We'll see you at the running away now.
I hope you don't sleep tonight. I hope you don't sleep tonight.
I don't believe it's over because many children are still dying up to today. And after my son, so many children died that I know. I'm working at the schools, I'm volunteering, and how many of these children has died, and my heart is broken. I cannot get healing because of other children that's dying now. I want the shooting, the killing to stop.